guys, in this video I'll be trying to get the status be made through a competition in this event. And I'm so close. Wait, bro, I think I need to do 2 tasks, 4 control points, and which one to do? I don't know which one to do, bro. Okay, we're gonna do these both, I guess. Let's go for the control point clash. I'll be sending you the invite, I guess. So let's do the tasks, I guess. Surya, you need to save me, but also I need to get I need to kill 3 mechs from 70 meters plus.
That means javelin work.
Yes. Actually no, but yes. I don't know what to say.
I don't think I could help you in this. I'm taking out the javelin works.
Me too.
The puny ones.
Where are you?
Beside you.
Right side?
Yeah.
That's you?
So
I need to get the under the radar. Leave him alone. I need 70 plus meters.
Yeah, not yeah.
1.
Who's ready for status beam?
Of course it's not me.
2 of them.
Then me.
Dude, it's nothing. Tormoland 6 is better.
Smooth operator.
Dude, status beam is the yuck.
Yuck.
You don't even want it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Leave him for. Okay. I need 70 meters plus krills. videos so that I could control 4 control points and get the under the radar achievement.
I'll not like it.
Why? You don't want me to get status be mate?
No.
Wow.
Oh, I think status beam is like one of the close range guns.
You know thermal lances.
It's the same as thermal lenses.
Surya, I'll follow you. Or you follow me, whatever.
I'll follow you. You follow me.
Okay. Go near control point. Near D.
Come fast. Your Highness. Oh, Highness. We're getting attacked from double sides, Highness.
I'm going there.
Highness, it's not safe for you. Okay. Your Highness, did you die?
I helped you in killing.
Your Highness, I'll go and get him.
Shall I help you?
No, Your Highness.
Good job.
Your Highness.
Middle?
No, Highness. Middle is not good for you, Highness. Follow me, Your Highness.
Oh,
Your Highness, did you die?
Chino, you'll die as well.
Yeah, look.
Ni Ines Gola. Ah,
2 minutes.
wow.
Your Highness, I am ready. And I just failed
To do what?
to beat you. My bad, it's me time.
ఆగమ్మా చిన్న కిల్స్ వస్తున్నాయి రే
Your Highness, I'm getting shot, Your Highness. Your Highness. అన్న నువ్వు ఈ రెడ్ కంట్రోల్ చేయమన్నా ఏం చేస్తున్నావు నువ్వు?
దానికే పోతున్నారా
Great. I'm gonna die again. I'm done. Just sleep.
You're gonna leave?
Yeah, I just left.
I have one more control point to do. Two minutes left and one more control point. Quick. Chino, I'm so close. Yes. Amma, 1 minute.
Did you got it?
Close.
Dude, I have 225,000. What is
We are losing this match.
No one cares about you losing or winning. Did you got it, mate? Because I shipped it down, mate. Mate, I'm going.
Junior second MVP. Wait till Chino. Dude, I actually got. The mother language was here in this video, but this is literally true emotional video. Everything was true. Everything you guys heard is actually what is happening here. So no faking. Now changing time. I don't want rocket motor. Please. For now. Okay? I'm definitely not gonna keep it forever, okay? Soon I'll add another mix slot. I'm so close for that. I'm collecting icons for that.